kids, welcome to Penpencil. Hope you are all doing great. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Now today's topic of the day is SH sound words. SH sound words. This is also a blend word, okay? What does the SH sound make? Shh, shh. This is the sound of SH. How does your teacher ask you to keep quiet? She puts her finger on her lips and says shh. What does it mean? That is the sound of shh. That means keep quiet. That means she will say to keep quiet by using the sound shh. Okay. Now we are reading the words that will end or begin with the sound sh or sh. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start? Shell. Shell means we are getting the initial sound sh. Shell. Okay. That way we have to use these words. Shell. S-H-A-L-L. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. This is shell. This is shell. This we will be finding it in the C's. Okay. Shell. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. You can also see the pictures under these words. Okay kids? Please repeat after me when I am telling. Okay? S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-E. She. She is a girl. She. S-H-E. She. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. Sh. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Boys are wearing shirts. S-H-U-T. Shut. S-H-U-T. Shut. Shut the door. S-H-U-T. Shut. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. You can see the shadow here. In the dark, we can see the shadows. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Short, long. Okay. Short means very short. Height. Height is very short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. How many of you like fish here? Okay. F-I-S-H. Fish. Dish. What? D-I-S-H. Dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. D-A-S-H. Dash. D-A-S-H. Dash. P-U-S-H. Push. The boy is pushing the table. P-U-S-H. Push. M-A-S-H. Mash. M-A-S-H. Mash. B-U-S-H. Bush. B-U-S-H. Bush. H-U-S-H. Hush. H-U-S-H. Hush. R-U-S-H. Rush. The people are rushing towards the bus. R-U-S-H. Rush. W-I-S-H. Wish. The girl is wishing her ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. The girl is washing her hands. Whenever you go out and enter the home, you have to wash your hands. Okay. Now we'll read some words related to these. Okay. Please wash the dish. Please wash the dish. My shop does not sell fish. My shop does not sell fish. The sheep is near the bush. The sheep is near the bush. Sh. I have to rush to the shore to see the shell. I have to rush to the shore to see the shell. Shaina has new shoes and a new shirt. Shaina has new shoes and a new shirt. This way you have to form some sentences. Okay, kids? Have you understood what we have learned till now? You have to repeat the SH sound words repeatedly so that you will easily understand these words. Okay, kids? Hope you have learned something from this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.